Thank you for tuning back into the channel, ladies and gents. In today's episode, we hit central London straight to near the London Eye to a famous spot called the Graffiti Tunnel. Now, it's self-explanatory. It's a tunnel with graffiti. It's all in the name. Anyway, remember to subscribe and like the vid.
You guys, I made a rookie error. Came up with a bike and I forgot my extra GoPro battery. We're going for a ride. We're going to go Graffiti Tunnel in central London. I got the carbon fiber looking gorgeous. Oh, can't get enough of it. Let's show you the bike from here without getting knocked. That is what she looks like. Gorgeous thing. Clean-ish. Slightly dirty, but yeah, I'll clean it when I got time properly. But yeah, apart from that, she is looking delightful. So, we're going to get on the bike, meet my boy, get some fuel, meet another girl rider, and then we're going to link up, have some fun, and let's see where the day takes us. I'll take you guys along with me. And thank you guys so far for subscribing, liking the vids. You know, support goes a long way, so I appreciate you guys. What do I hear? I hear Jigsaw. And there is a Jigsaw. Look at the merch. Only Jigsaws, yeah? Cheeky. Only Jigsaws, and I'm wearing only DUCATIs. That looks so sick. Oh, bro. This is hilarious.
So, Chrissy, she sent me a message. She told me 15 minutes in Tesco.
Okay, so should we go? We might as well go there now. We can fuel up and then.
Exactly, yeah.
Cool. Alright, sweet. We should be going that way or that way?
We can't turn left from this.
So we have to go that way.
So, yeah.
The only Jigsaws. Oh, bro. Too good. It's just cheeky. Do you guys? No, don't do it still. Stay there. No bad drivers today, please. So, we are off to Lewisham. Let's fill these bad boys up. Bruv, you guys, we are riding. The only Jigsaws, only DUCATIs. So yeah, you guys, the last video, God knows what it was, because all the videos are jumbled up, but GoPro, stay, don't go. Yeah, God knows what they are, but anyway, we're going to ride to the Graffiti Tunnel, link up with another rider, and yeah, just have some chilled fun. Chilled ride, nothing crazy, from what I know so far. Keep things nice and safe, but fun. So we have got a lady rider there by the name of Chrissy, CBR in a nice orange. Damn, orange looks good, especially with black. And my mate with his Jigsaw. Can't ride like them because I need heat in my tyres. So yeah, I have to heat this bad boy up a bit. Jokers. So I'm the only one without music. She's vibing. They're both vibing. I'm just vibing to DUCATI. Jokes. That bike is very loud. Very loud. It makes a good noise. It makes a good noise. I'll behave. If only you guys knew, I'll behave. Right. Right, I'll start recording a bit more for you guys when we get further down. Yeah, I'm all good there. Mad. Look at this. Right, this is a little slippery, man. Jeez. This is a Graffiti tunnel. It's kind of wild. Yeah, so